Welcome back. The University of Nebraska Board of Regents has given the green light to UNMC for the establishment of a new center for drug design and innovation.
The goal is to improve the drug research, discovery, and development at the UNMC's College of Pharmacy. 6 News' Johan Marin joins us live in the newsroom with all the details. Hey, Johan.
Hi, Jacqueline and Brent. The UNMC College of Pharmacy Dean Dr. Keith Olson believes this new center will help fill a drug research gap, easing the process for faculty and researchers with new improved infrastructure and resources. This will allow more space for experiments on cancer and neurological diseases. Olson also believes this center is an opportunity for the University of Nebraska system to reach the same level as peer Big Ten institutions.
Move those closer to clinical trials where they might actually then be able to be used in humans and then be on the market for not only people in Nebraska to benefit, but from across the entire country and perhaps world.
The hope for this new center is to also attract additional grants, partnerships, and STEM jobs to help stimulate the economic development in Nebraska. Live in the newsroom, Johan Marin, 6 News.
Thank you, Joe.